Yeah.
Oh, by the way, it's good, right?
Mm. Yeah. Oh, of course they'll clean it out here. You just gotta get to it. That's the point. Just gotta get to it. Out here going to the grocery store. We can't wait any longer.
Yeah, we're about to die, man.
Yeah, about to die. Can't wait any longer. But yeah, but that's how they do. The city will come and clean the main streets and this and that or whatever, and then leave our area to do itself. This is 2017 winter.
Shoot.
Yeah, everything's white. Oh yeah.
I see police, man.
It don't matter if see police or not.
You would recommend to use a single, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
pretty much. That is a stop sign.
I mean, I appreciate that because sometimes I don't know.
So y'all went this way yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but it was not good like this.
Oh no. Cause see, they gotta try. Look at these fools flying down the street.
Look good. And he's turning, right? No, he's good. That's a big ass truck.
Still, just about 20 minutes ago, going on the street. Cause down by where my dad is, there ain't nothing but ice. People
Yeah,
sliding.
that's true.
That's why I'm glad we go the other route up the street to go
Yeah,
out.
settle down.
Yeah. So I guess I probably won't do laundry to what, Wednesday?
Yeah, but I need to do better, man.
Why I need to drop off? Why I need to drop off the clothes sometime today? Oh, look at that tree.
At least it's not going to be busy.
Nah.
And plus, he said he will not put me on Friday.
Uh-huh.
You know, we will go. No, Friday is the busiest day.
Friday and Saturday's busiest day. Yeah, those side streets, I wouldn't fool those side streets. I'd rather go the long way around everywhere.
Yeah, they just have money for the Friday. They have something.
Oh yeah, they will. And then try to avoid all the bridges. Oh yeah, the highway's clear. Yeah, people up here walking, taking their book bags. The grocery shop. I know when I was living in Raleigh, we had that big blizzard. I think it was in 2000 or 2002. Man, me and a couple friends of ours, we had book bags galore going up to the grocery store.
Book bags.
Yeah, book bags for groceries because we lived like about 2 miles from the grocery store where my apartment was. So all of us tag team together. We was like, we're all gonna get all of our groceries all at one time and bring it back to our apartment. All of us, we hooked up together. We got, groceries and everything. Everybody was able to go at one time because all of our cars were submerged underneath the snow.
Mm-hmm.
I feel so sorry for some of these people that got these deep, long driveways. Might as well buy a snowmobile to get up out of there.
What lane is packing?
Of course, full line packed.
Shit, everybody. Nah, it's not.
That was snow.
Oh, yeah, I know. Otherwise, I would